we're going to learn a little bit about strings. So the first thing we need to do is understand what strings are and where we get them from. We can have a variable called, let's say, myString, and just set it in the program to be some sort of value. This is a string. So there's the first way of having a string. Another way of having a string in a program is by asking the user to type one in. My typed string equals, and if you remember from last term, we need raw underscore input because we're dealing with a string text, raw underscore input, and then a prompt. Please enter some text. So at the moment, these are the two ways of having a string in your program. You either explicitly create it in your program by setting a variable, or you ask the user to type something in. There is a third method that we can use, which we shan't be dealing with here, is where we can get the information from a file. We will see that a little bit later on, but we need to understand a bit more about lists before we work with strings and files. So that's a brief reminder of what we did last term as far as strings are concerned. And what I want to do is start looking at strings in a little bit more depth, trying to understand what they do and what we can do with them. So in the next video we will start looking at functions on strings, such as finding out how long they are, or converting them all to lowercase, or converting them all to uppercase. So on to the next video.